Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we are going to learn how to log in JCB Finance. First step is to open your browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. After opening your browser, you can see search bar on the top. Click on it and type in JCB Finance. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo. Click on it. Now on the top navigation bar, you can see login to JCB Finance Online. Click on it. Now you need your email address to log in, so type in your email. If you have forgotten your details, you can click on this link and recover it. And for any other help, you can call on this number. Now click on sign in, and these are the simple steps that you can follow to log in JCB Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you.